So guys, this question has been asked in Amazon, Netflix and Ola Uber. Okay, so this is simple question. Average product rating by a month. Okay, so Amazon के अंदर प्रोडक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, Netflix के अंदर मूवीज है, शोज हो सकते हैं, एंड ओला एंड उबर के अंदर जब भी हम कोई रेटिंग देते हैं ड्राइवर को या राइडर को, तो वो रेटिंग हो सकती है. ओके, सो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी इजीली. So let's understand the context of the question. Write an SQL query to calculate the average review rating for each product broken down by month. So you need to mention that कि हर month के हिसाब से इसमें product की rating क्या आ रही है. Okay. So return the result table ordered by product in ascending order and then by month in ascending order. Okay. This is output table, review table we have, and this is example output. You can see month, product code, and average stars. Okay. So average rating you need to print here. So let's understand this question step by step. Okay, I will not write the code here. Okay, code you can find it in the solution tab very easily. I will just make you understand actually how you can solve this. Okay, so first of all, what it is asking by average rating. Okay, so average rating we will use average function. So always suppose that if we need to find this, we need to find the average review. Okay, so average review we need to find here. You can see and product code and month. Okay, and we have submit date and time. We don't have month, we have submit date and time. So we need to extract the month from the date and time, product code, and average start. You can easily write select all from. Okay, so here you can see select average stars from reviews table. Okay, group by what? Group by what we need to do? Product code, because हमें हर product का rate लेके आना है, right? Rating लेके आना है. Okay, so this could be the query very easily, and you need to add month here and extract it date and from date and time, and you need to add group by for, don't need to add group by again, group by for month also. तभी तो वो उसको ग्रुप बाय करेगा, जैसे वरना क्या होगा कि भाई प्रोडक्ट कोड तो सिंपल एक ही प्रोडक्ट कोड के 5 रिकॉर्ड आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, मतलब सॉरी, एक ही प्रोडक्ट के रिकॉर्ड्स आ जाएंगे. बट अगर आप बाय मंथ करोगे सर, देन यू विल एबल टू गेट द एवरेज रेटिंग. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी द सॉल्यूशन. जस्ट हियर यू कैन पेस्ट इट. ओके, and just let me run this through. So let's run this now. So you can see query executed successfully. Okay, so you can easily solve this question on playground.trythat.com. You don't need to add your data. You will get the database here. Okay, so let's see another question. And guys, if you have not watched the complete SQL course, you can watch this by just clicking on that link which is in description.